In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Klaviyo account, a must-have tool for managing your email marketing efficiently. Start by opening your web browser and heading to www.klaviyo.com. On the home page, click the Sign Up button, usually at the top right corner. Enter your email address carefully. Then create a strong password with upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols. Next, fill in your company name or your own name for personal use, website if applicable, and your phone number for verification. Select how you plan to use Klaviyo, either for your own business or client projects. Agree to the terms and conditions, complete the CAPTCHA, and click Create Account. And that's it. Your Klaviyo account is now ready. From here, you can explore the platform, create your first campaigns, and start optimizing your email marketing strategy. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials to master Klaviyo.